Hey friends, if you wish to sort and select files and folders in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open File Explorer and first of all to sort it, all you need to do is click on the sort symbol and then you can sort by name, status, the date modified and there are many more parameters like type, size, date created, the authors, the tag, and so on. Now, to list it in the order of ascending or descending, simply click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it. Okay, and then you can select it like from A to H, or you can select it from 0 to 9. So it depends. Other than this, you can also use the group by option for sorting, and I use this a lot. Right click in the open space and then select group by, and you can group by name like 0 to 9 will be here, and then I to P will be here, so on. And you can also group it by other parameters like the status or the date modified, etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.